My name is Dr. Bharti Sharma and I'm the instructor for Executive Certificate in Business Analytics. In this certification, you learn about all the basic components of business analytics. If you have no idea or you are recently working in business analyst role and you need to perform analytics using the top tools, then this is the course for you. You learn about how to create visualizations and dashboard using Power BI. You learn about how to create visualizations and dashboard using Tableau. You also learn about what is web analytics. How do you perform web analytics? How do you analyze websites using Google Analytics? You learn about machine learning, that is predictive analytics. You learn about data mining, that is determining a prediction on the outcome, and also market basket analysis, or what goes with what. You learn about optimization techniques such as goal seeking, break-even analysis, what-if analysis, scenario manager, Excel solver. This certification is offered in dual modality, hybrid format, such as you can join it fully online on Zoom, or you can join it as in person in the class. I walk you in detail through every assignment, and we are doing the assignment together. So that way your learning opportunity, learning capability increases while the instructor is there to guide you through the whole assignment. Looking forward to having you in the class.